Hello folks, this is one of our favorite quotes in 2IIM, and especially mine: aim for excellence, success will follow. And those of you who have this habit of recalling dialogues from movies, you might have already placed this. This is from 3 Idiots, one of my favorite movies. I'm a teacher. So we guys at 2IIM, several of us are teachers, so obviously it strikes a chord very easily. It's very easy for me to be fascinated by that movie, and even that apart, it's a lovely, fantastic movie. And so it's a big theme here. 3 Idiots is one of our favorite movies, and that and Kung Fu Panda are two themes for us for learning at 2IIM. Anyway, that apart, we at 2IIM have created a mechanism, a body of work where you can aim for excellence and for free. So we have tons of content available on our website, on our platforms, and for free. And so it's kind of our way of saying, look, we're part of this community. We will do our best to make sure that there is a platform available for anybody and everybody to study without spending a rupee. And so what do we have here? We have a daily quiz we hit every day. So you can have a quiz every day, so it helps you maintain rigor, discipline, something to come back to and sign up. And so we have a wonderful study schedule, which is a beautiful plan to kind of prepare yourself with a month-on-month plan. You can say, what am I going to do in July? What am I going to do in August? How many mocks should I take? What should I do if I'm strong in quant? What should I do if I've already been a repeater? So there's certain variants of that, and it comes there. After this is to nudge you to prepare. This is to give you a framework to prepare. This is a real deal. So by topic, by saying, look, I want quant, I want logical reasoning, I want verbal ability, I want para-jumbles, I want trigonometry, I want functions. There are questions in each of these topics with detailed solutions. Almost all of them have video solutions, except the really simple ones, on a platter by topic for free. So if you're saying, look, I'm learning functions, I want to go hit functions questions, you'll find 40, 50, 60 questions from functions sitting there for free, with several of them having video solutions for free, accessed from YouTube. And this Bharath reading list is fantastic. We select a set of articles every week, curated, and post it on several forums. And we very diligently over several years now, maintained a database of wonderfully curated articles by topic, by genre, on a single platform. Obviously, we've not written these articles. They are from widely available, high quality, free sources. Mostly free. Some of them were free when we launched, and they later became under a paywall, but those are mostly free. And these questions these passages are gold, pure gold, because they are curated, very relevant. They're not to the cat level of length and difficulty all the time, nor should they be. But they give you reading practice, and they're handpicked by somebody, so it's brilliant. This is something that we are rather proud of. CAT previous year questions. So CAT questions from 2024, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. All courses, all sections, all slots with detailed video solutions are available on a platter on a single page, where you can just go click and then navigate. And so it's a ton of freely available resources. Practically, this alone, if you think about it, is about, I don't know, 5 plus 4, 15 plus 12, 27, 20, more than 25 papers. And so this alone is more than 100, 150 hours of preparation. This an additional nearly 100 hours of preparation. These two are structures. This is tons of reading. And so you can practically prepare for CAT with this. And probably we're blowing a hole into our own business model by saying this much is available for free. We do what we do. Right? So how do you access this? Our course, online.2im.com or learn.2im.com or 2im.com. Sign up as a trial user. You can come there and you can look at daily quiz. And this is free. You can click there and take it every day. Right? Study schedule, you put 2IIM study schedule, it'll go to online.2im.com/schedule. You can go and say, are you a CAT fresher? You're strong in quant, strong in verbal or weak in verbal, and then you click, you'll get a schedule. Again, schedules are broad frameworks, they're not the be all and end all, they're not the final answer, but it gives you a powerful framework. This is my favorite part. If you look at the topics, we don't say number theory, we say HCF, factors, reminders, factorials, digits, speed time ratios, percentages, profits. And if you click on say some one topic, let's say speed time ratios, and then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so this list has maybe 25 questions, and then it has all CAT previous year questions by year, by slot. All of them with video solutions. You go here, you can see the answer, you can see the video explanation. And then, hey, yeah, very interesting. We've done all this. You've seen all of this. And then XAT. And so, if you take speed, time, distance, there are probably 30 of our questions, probably 40 of CAT questions, 10 of other questions. You can 100 high quality questions with video solutions embedded there for free. This is Bharath's curated list. Put Bharath's reading list. You will have articles and categories listed by topic, part 1, part 2, on a blog format. You can click anything and then you're on. You can navigate any which way. CAT question papers, again, brilliant. This is probably the one page which every CAT aspirant visits. We know this because we see the traffic every year. This page just goes through the roof in October, November, and I'm surprised. Why are people waiting till October to go through this page? 2024 slot 1, 2, 3, LRDI slot 1, 2, 3, verbal slot 1, 2, 3, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, and then XAT. I mean, it's a treasure trove. And if you click on any one thing, say slot 1 quant 2019, and then you go here, you'll be able to, if you hover, you'll see the answer. You can click, you can see the answer. The mouse you can hover, with my finger you can't hover. And then you click here, it goes to explanation. You click here, it'll open up a video from YouTube, free. And so this the whole spectrum of whatever any one student may need for preparing, and it's super available on a platter for free. And we would love for you to use it. We'll have to figure out some mechanism about balancing how much we give for free. Right now, we are feeling generous and happy about saying, look, we will prepare. Every year we get tons of emails from our students saying, look, it's good stuff. I enjoyed learning your courses. And then lots of emails from students who have not, or our students, we think of them as our students, who have not bought a course with us, but who have taken plenty of use from what we do. They've said, look, this set of videos on LRTI or verbal really had a breakthrough for me. And I would love for it, for one or few or many of you to be among that list, to take tons of value and drop us an email, send me an email saying, look, this was useful. And that helps a lot because we pass it on, we get energized and we say, look, people are using our course, they're teachers. We love it when students take use from what we do. So we will put more content, more questions, more solutions, more beautiful stuff on our website, hopefully for free for a long time. So please make use of it. Do reach out to us if you have any comments, questions, queries, do you want to have new ideas, anything to discuss, all of it. Best wishes.